The Future Investment Initiative 2022 kicked off Tuesday in Riyadh, the capital of Saudi Arabia. Since its inception, the Saudi Conference has become a high-profile platform for the kingdom to attract investment and promote its Vision 2030 framework.
The 6th edition of the FII conference will last for 3 days under the theme Investing in Humanity, Enabling a New Global Order. Some 500 Saudi or overseas speakers from different sectors will share their insights. 180 sessions, 30 workshops, and 4 mini-summits are to be held during the conference. The FII said on its website that this year's event features forums on new pathways for global investment, analysis of critical industry trends, and networking chances for corporate heads, policymakers, investors, and industry experts. And topics also include balancing economic success and sustainability, the rise of world geoeconomic powers, increasing global inequality, new challenges, as well as opportunities in the post-pandemic recovery.